Zero.
Top stories. Chief Minister Anne Birain inaugurates much-awaited Imphal Moray Tamenlong heli service at Imphal Airport. Villagers face inconveniences due to irregularity of some government officials. And President of NIPCO along with wife arrested for illegal possession of arms. Hello and welcome. You're watching Times of Manipur. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Anne Birain inaugurated Imphal Moray Tamenlong heli service at Imphal Airport today. The service has been made available to the people on a daily basis. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham and other MLAs, including the police, DG LM Kaute, attended the inaugural ceremony. Talking to media persons on the sideline of inauguration, the Chief Minister said the main objective of launching the heli service is to help the people living in far-flung areas of the state.
The main purpose of providing helicopter service is to help the patient mainly, patient and the age group, all age, And one aspect is connecting peoples through this type of transportation will provide belongingness, oneness.
On the other hand, on being asked about the highway robbery, the Chief Minister said he will not spare those responsible in a recent incident of looting trucks on the National Highway 37. He said the present government is people-friendly and it will not use force as much as possible. However, the government is compelled to use force at times to book the perpetrator. As such, he has given such directives to conduct mass search operations to book the robbers at the earliest.
Activities can collect the moina equating in the power, government is government. Government is government. Same passengers in the trucks in the government equating to me. Just I have already ordered to have a mass coming operation along with army and the state police paramilitary forces, along with the state police forces, and we will not spare any this kind of illegal things.
Chairman of Marchi village, Roy Than, has asserted that officials of Marchi SDO office under Technopol district still neglects on their duty. Even after government provided a new office and infrastructures for developmental work, officials still fail to function properly. As such, there is a huge developmental issue at Marchi SDO office under Technopol district. Roy Than said that the SDO is not functioning properly, due to which the villagers find great difficulties. The villagers are facing problems in getting a simple document like birth certificate. Roy Than further questioned if there are any norms regarding the roster system taking place in the government sector.
Akhoi office building gi matang da di akhoi yamna haraujai masi video amagi status ta asigi building laibase yamna phajare haina lawbe yai adubu akhoi gi staff sing haibtare masida akhoi anoba law ama uba phangi mari karino haga government gi office ta duty lakse roster oina lakse akhoi government asu asi asengmamaki asigi law system se laibra haibdu akhoi.
With great disappointment, Roy Than complained that he has no proper knowledge about what exactly is a health card. However, some of the villagers have taken the health card from nearby areas. He further said that due to the absence of officials in the Marchi SDO office, villagers still remain unaware about the details of the health card.
Axel ki hai matam da health card hai ba se akoi se machi block ki office ta sem gidra haina khanmane adu ngasi phawa machi health card semba khotpa se akoi machi da akoi uba phangdri adubu akoi khara lamlak tara kada dera chalaga lawkhiba phangkhiba kharabdi yaure aduga go to village ki program se akoi hangningba amana numit khuding akoi ngasi phawa go to village se tawduna lairibra.
A team of Imphal West Police Commando has arrested President of National Identity Protection Committee Oinam Premjit, aged 42, from his residence at Oinam Yumnam Lekai under Namwal Police Station around 3 this morning. It is reported that Oinam Premjit, son of late Oinam Ibomsha and Oinam Ongbi Pinky, was seized along with 3 9mm pistols and 7 live rounds. Following the incident, police personnel raided the office of NIPCO near Kashampad Lerembi around 1 p.m. The JAC of Maisnam Ongbi Nongthongban Tamfa Ibema has called indefinite band on Uripo Kangchup Road, demanding arrest of deceased Tamfa Ibema's mother-in-law and handing over of the lifeless body to the maternal family. Convener of the JAC, R.K. Pushparani, said the band will not be lifted until the demands are fulfilled.
Chenariba Magi Manembo Sorojini, Haribawa, Amadi, Asiba, Haksana, Hoida, Sinadibo, Jeshi, Hoina Luxury, Warepse, Uribo, Kangsupro, Makata, and Matamkotana Bantawa, and a Hoi Luxury Warepse.
Mother of Tampa Ibema, R.K. Sanatombi, said she wants to have the last rites of her daughter done in the maternal hometown. She is heartbroken as she made a mistake by asking her daughter to return to her husband. She is feeling guilty for the fact that she couldn't see her daughter's pain.
I know what I'm saying. Mama, she ma koina losen tam mi mama je phabi yu aduga asiba macha je asiba igi cha sin ne ganu ai yum da bibi yu ai ko ta sin bi bari na hai bada ai sa do ai na le han ma ai na losan ma ngam udre adugi ai ma de me sa na ka ma ngam dre na ai na ma ba sin so han ta ba sa ba na ga du ten na do adugi na ma ta ai sa je ko ta sin bi hai bani.
On the other hand, Tamfa Ibema's brother Manoranjan asserted that the agitation will continue until the demands are fulfilled. His sister's lifeless body should be handed over to the maternal family and no one else.
I demand the Asib Hasangi, Nupaman Logos Sunga Janinde, Mandubi no Pibu, the Bimayum no Polojage, Maduaki Hakni, Chagraba Hakni, customary law, Lenambai, customary law, return loan ate. Siapi Sigi Matungin, Kasuyan Pangiba Sulek, section Aduda, Gadamni Kolkatabani, Yanaka, the Lopina Bangatani, Maduda Muktana Moina Torito, Akoyajaninde, Aduga Hatsang Japang Dribu, Akoy Masigi, Jesina Koriba, Akoy Huzik, Icheze, Batam Katana Ripoche, Banto Salajena, Akoy Huzik, Warren.
Spokesperson of BJP, C.H. Bijoy, has expressed that several cases of CBI still remain unsolved under the influence of the Congress party. He expressed this while speaking in a press meet held at the office of BJP Manipur Pradesh in the presence of party secretary, organization and Nimbus. Bijoy said that the interference of Congress party in the existing conflict between director of CBI Alok Barua and assistant Rakesh Asthana is really unfortunate. Bijoy questioned the CBI team of the failure of solving several cases of Manipur, including the Loktak scam, airport drug case, Rabina Sanjit case. The Congress party has played a big political game, he alleged. With the appointment of new director of CBI, Bijoy expressed his hope that the CBI would take initiatives to solve the cases at the earliest.
Loktak ki scandal LDA case, MDS ki chauraba case, former Chief Minister Animax the co accused Oribani, Chief Secretary Kya Oribani, Simiam said Namjan Nabonabada, Masibuk CBI and a Pibi Yadris here. Take a look on the from top to bottom Congress, the opposition party, we Matauto with the height of the CBI, the loan, Chanchalaga, Masamasa Kanabu Honda Ledame, say, Akoi Hojik low in a Kangan.
Well, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur. Welcome back. A one-day training program on honey cultivation organized by Khadi and Village Industrial Board was held at Kangchup Chiru under Kangpokpi district with the aim of making Manipur the highest honey producing state. The training was organized under the National Honey Mission Board. Vice Chairman of KVIP Y Nilamani said the steps taken up for development by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has special plans to generate income through honey cultivation. The training was conducted in hill areas as the area is considered most suitable for honey cultivation. Honey cultivation benefits the environment in a great manner. It is one of the most suitable sources of income for many. Anyone can cultivate honey and increase their income as there is high demand of honey in markets. Speaking at the training session, Assistant Development Officer of KVIP T.H. Ibomcha gave some guidelines on beekeeping. Ex-Minister and senior BJP leader Qasim Ruiba and Kangchup Chiru village chief Jacob attended as main guest at the training program. Over 100 farmers attended the training. Congress MLA from Dhrangandra Purushottam Sabaria was arrested in Gujarat Morbi district on Sunday for allegedly demanding bribe from an irrigation department engineer. Besides Sabaria, a lawyer named Bharat Ganesh, an assistant engineer, a contractual person and 2 others have been arrested by the police. He demanded rupees 60 lakh from State Irrigation Department engineer and settled for 35 lakh. The lawyer used to collect money from him said Karan Raj Vaghela, Superintendent of Police, Morbi. A grant of rupees 20 crore was approved for the irrigation department for various projects. Thereafter, complaints were received from some places that no work had been done there, but the payment was done. Therefore, we have arrested the MLA, lawyer and assistant engineer, a contractual person and 2 others, he added. The Supreme Court is likely to hear today a batch of petitions challenging the Allahabad High Court's 2010 verdict by which it disputed land on a Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid area in Ayodhya was divided into 3 parts. A bench of Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi and Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul and K.M. Joseph would hear the appeals filed in the matter. On September 27, the Supreme Court had declined to refer to a 5-judge constitution bench the issue of reconsideration of the observations in 1994 judgment that a mosque was not integral to Islam, which had arisen during the hearing of Ayodhya land dispute. Now let's have a look at some of the newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Local rice price hits rupees 38 per kg in market. Pabung Iboyaima remembered. Discussion held on integrity of Manipur theme. Teachers take honors of enrollment. Attendance of students. People's Chronicle. Jiri Imphal Rail project struggles to meet deadline. Ex-MP Kim Gangte bats for uniform development. Amid spurt in number of flights, airport tarmac peels off. Imphal Free Press. Manipur claims team champion title of first Northeast Olympic Games. Arunachal Pradesh to host next meet in 2020. Utmost care must be given to avoid alteration of rituals. Kim Gangte likely to fight upcoming outer Lok Sabha election.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates much awaited Imphal More Tamenlong heli service at Imphal Airport. Villagers face inconveniences due to irregularity of some government officials. And President of NIPCO along with wife arrested for illegal possession of arms. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.